You search for how to buy shares of Delta Plus Group SA. This video shows the steps to find ALDLT.PA and place an order. Delta Plus makes personal protective equipment and safety solutions, and it trades on Euronext under the ticker ALDLT.PA. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I used eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the broker search box to type the ticker ALDLT.PA and look for Delta Plus Group SA on Euronext. Make sure you select the correct listing that matches the company name and exchange. On the asset page, review the basic company profile, product focus, and the historical price chart to confirm this is the right stock. Check the exchange and ticker again to ensure you are viewing ALDLT.PA. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, and choose order details such as market or limit. Review the order carefully and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, your order may become pending. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the broker link is in the description below if you want to follow the same steps shown here.